Hello everyone, I'm Brianna Estrada with Judson ISD Communications. Today we're here at Escondido Elementary School where we have our first day back of students who selected in-person learning that are coming in. I'm joined with Miss Keeler, the principal at Escondido Elementary. This is such an exciting day for our district and for your campus here. You know, what are some things that you can look forward to for this school year?
Good morning. Welcome to Escondido. We are so excited this year. We have so many opportunities for our students. We have a blended learning model that we are offering. We have face-to-face learning and online learning. Our district has provided us with several measures to keep all of our students safe. We have face shields. Our students have their face masks. The district has provided desk dividers as another measure. We have several hand sanitizing stations. There's just so many things that we have put in place to make sure our community, our students, and our staff are very safe while getting the most out of their learning.
That's so awesome. You know, how are the teachers feeling? What kind of reactions are you getting back from the teachers about students coming back?
We are so excited. It is so hard to maintain that social distance and not provide those hugs and loves, but we definitely have air hugs. We have big smiles. We have our arm high fives. I mean, we are just so excited to see their faces. It's been since March, and the excitement, it's like the first day of school all over again.
That's so awesome. Lots of great things happening here at Escondido Elementary and all over Judson ISD School District. We're so excited to have all of our students that selected our in-person learning back in the classroom. Remember to continue checking our Judson ISD District webpage and our social media and your campus's social media pages to get the latest information. With Judson ISD Communications, I'm Brianna Estrada.